Okay, so we're in the all new RS3 294 kilowatt. Let's see what this car can do.
We're behind the C63S AMG.
Beautiful little car to drive this. A lot of torque, a lot of kilowatt for small body. Very nice drive. Yo, the power in this car is amazing. It's all the way nice to 7,000 RPM. The power and torque curves that you can see on your virtual cockpit, they were in the flat dynamic mode. You've obviously got, we're in dynamic now, which is your sport mode, which will open the flaps a little bit. Yeah, beautiful little car to drive this. What do you think, Nathan? You like this car?
I love it. It's a fantastic car. That's someone calling to buy it already.
Yeah. Just like that. Just like that. Being on public roads, we can't do high-speed driving, unfortunately, so we can just go fast first and second gear. So fast first, second, and then we've got a slack off, unfortunately. But yeah, beautiful car through the gears. You can really feel. Audi claims 4.2 0 to 100. Car Magazine has tested the car. They got between 3.6 and 3.8 seconds, which I can truly believe, because through the gears, the power this pulls with, it's very similar to the RS6 and RS7. So we'll go back to normal drive mode. It's still in the sports mode there. Obviously with the Quattro system, we've got very good road holding. Yeah, just a beautiful all-round car to drive. That is in a manual mode on the gearbox, so I'll change it in manual mode on the paddle shifts now. Yeah, very nice pull through the gears. This vehicle we're driving now is for sale as well. That's why we don't want to drive it too fast, eh Nathan?
Yes, correct.
So it's basically a little supercar you can take your family in with, put your groceries in the back,
And still have fun.
and still have fun, yeah. Would you buy one of these cars?
No, I would.
Okay.
I think it's a perfect little toy car. That's what's nice about it.
Yeah, Napa leather in the
Yeah,
inside,
it's got the nice seating.
sport seats with diamond stitching, black roof lining, sunroof, B&O sound system. Yeah, beautiful car to drive. Exhilarating car to drive. That's what I would say. Exhilarating.
Let's try the sound system.
Yeah, this is fitted with the B&O.
Find something to put on. Very fun.
If all it's gonna cause is pain, truth in my lies right now are falling like the rain, so let the river run.
He's coming home with his neck scratched to catch black sweat jackets and dress lights. Mismatched with his present.
Every single time we pull off, my face feels like it's going back.
They call that G's, my friend. It's got a G meter in here, so you can actually record the G's you're doing on braking, cornering and acceleration. On acceleration, the best we got is just under 1 G, which is not bad. On full braking you'll get about 1.4 G's or so.
That sound.
Ladies and gents, that was the little test drive on the RS3 Sedan. If you are interested in buying a car like this, please come and see us at Audi Centre Rivonia. Speak to Nathan or myself, Pete, Audi specialist. Come and drive this car and experience it for yourself. Seeing on a video on YouTube or so always on what the feeling is like driving a car like this doesn't always justify it, so please come and visit us on the corner of Van Biljon Road and Rivonia Road in Sunninghill, Rivonia, and come and experience this little car for yourself. Thank you for watching. Keep posted for next videos. Thank you.